to making Frankie some pizza. The one you have to roll in the dough. Now we have to poke hole on the pizzas. Now I have to put the pizzas into the sauce. You spread it with a spoon. Almost done. Now you put cheese on the pizza. I'll pick with my left hand.
Okay.
I love pepperoni. We're going to put the pepperoni on pizza. Yum! Spread up the pepperoni. Spread. Nom nom. Now you put more cheese on it. Be a little gentle. I'll pick this. One more. This. Now you put it into the oven. Cook for 9 minutes.
Well, the pizza's done.
The pizza's done. It's a beautiful pizza. Delicious pizza.